learned a lot about challenges, and a year ago I had a challenge. I had a kidney problem, and I had to have a kidney ureteral reimplantation. And when I measured on that scanner, somebody showed me that scanner, and I measured on that scanner, I measured 16,000. I was only able to start taking new skin back in December, and now I'm over 70,000. That is impact. That is the impact that new skin is making in people's lives. And we've talked about challenges. A lot of you have had health challenges like I have. A lot of you have had business challenges trying to be an entrepreneur, just like I have building this business. But when you think about those challenges, I want you to stop and think about all the things that people have said today. Passion, vision, dream, massive action. And what Leaf said so eloquently, what is your why? Because the why is what is going to drive the impact. And this facility, these people, this is impact. If you don't believe that, take a look around at your colleagues. These are million-dollar earners. And every single one of you has this potential. Every single one of you has this potential. And I encourage you to stay toward that potential and keep that impact going. Every single one of you will make an impact. The simple question is, how much impact do you want to make? Thank you all so much.